Welcome viewers, welcome to our easy drawing tutorial where we shall learn how to draw a beautiful lamp step by step. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial will guide you through the process in simple, easy to follow steps. Begin by drawing a vertical line for the lamp stand. Add a semicircle at the top of the line for the lamp shade. Draw a smaller semicircle inside the first one for the lamp's shade's rim. Connect the lamp's shade to the stand with two diagonal lines. Draw a curved line across the lamp's shade for texture. Add a small knob on top of the lamp's shade. Sketch the base of the lamp with two curved lines. Use hatching and cross hatching to create shadows. Add highlights to the lamp's shade for a realistic effect. Refine the lines and erase any unnecessary marks. Add shadows to ground the lamp on the surface. Use your razor to lighten any overly dark areas. Use references for inspiration and guidance. Don't worry about mistakes. Art is about learning and improving. Enhance the details with colored pencils or markers. Take breaks if you feel frustrated or stuck. Sign your artwork to make it your own. Step back and admire your beautiful drawing. Share your progress with friends and family. Remember to have fun and enjoy the creative process. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to keep drawing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy ending.